Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to level up on Steam. To boost your Steam level effortlessly, follow these simple steps. Open your web browser and go to steamlevelup.com, where this is the platform that will help you enhance your Steam level. On the website's homepage, locate the sign in option. Use your Steam account credentials to log in. This ensures a secure connection between your Steam profile and the leveling up service. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can customize your Steam level. Choose the desired level you wish to achieve. This might be a specific number or a range, depending on your preferences. After selecting your desired level, the website will automatically update and display the corresponding sets and XP needed to reach that level. Take note of this information as it helps you understand the process required. To efficiently level up, you can directly purchase the required Steam trading card sets from steamlevelup.com. This eliminates the need to search for individual cards on the Steam market. SteamLevelUp.com offers a variety of payment methods for your convenience. You can choose from the option like credit or debit cards, cryptocurrency, CSGO skin, Steam gems, and TF2 skins. Select the payment method that suits you best. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Provide any necessary payment details or authorizations. Double-check the order summary to ensure you're purchasing the correct sets for your desired Steam level. After the transaction is successful, go back to your Steam profile. You should notice the immediate impact on your level. Your newly acquired trading card sets will contribute to the XP needed for the chosen level. By following these steps, you can efficiently level up your Steam profile without the hassle of individually collecting trading cards. And that's how to level up on Steam. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.